How to lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To lock your keyboard on Windows 11, simply press and hold right shift key for 8 seconds until you hear the beep sounds on your screen. After you hear the beep sound, you simply need to click on OK button. So let's start pressing shift key. And after you hear the beep sound, you won't be able to type anything. So in order to unlock the keyboards on Windows 11, simply you have to do the same process, that is pressing the right shift key for 8 seconds. Now successfully you can easily type anything on your keyboard because it has been unlocked on your Windows 11. So in this way you can easily lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.